I'm gonna make Thai spicy sauce. So this is lime, garlic, Thai spicy chili, cilantro, water, sugar, tamarind powder, fish sauce. Oh, can you hand me the MSG, the messenger?
What? That's not what it's called.
What? What is it called?
Monosodium glutamate.
This is MSG, monosodium glutamate, known as messenger. And if you want it extra spicy, you can put Thai chili flakes. First thing you're gonna do is you get these chili peppers and you have to cut them up because they're really big. And you put it in the mortar when you're done. So just cut them like that. And then you put garlic. So it's a little bit easier to cut. So 2 garlic. Cilantro. So now it looks like this, and you're gonna smash it all together. And just keep on smashing it until it's really fine in the consistency you like. And if you're having a really bad day, as hard as you can, like just get your anger out. So once you're done smashing it, it should look like that, nice and fine. If you want it chunky, you can leave it chunky, otherwise that looks good. And then you're gonna add fish sauce. I would just add a little bit at a time for taste, and you can always add more. So that's fish sauce. I like it a little sour. This is tamarind powder, sugar, messenger, just a little bit, or MSG. And I do like it really spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit chili flake. Just a little bit. So it looks like that. And then you want to smash that all together really good. And then as you can see, it doesn't look like much of a sauce. But if you want it more saucy, then you're gonna add some water. Just like that. Then lime. Squeeze that. Smash it. And it looks like that. Spicy, delicious sauce. Only way to know if it tastes good is if you try it. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, it's perfect. So good.